Morning, y'all. It is the Sunday of Labor Day weekend. Band was supposed to play, but of course we had rain last night. We got rain today, so probably not going to happen. So I need to go to town and get a few things, not parts, because we're waiting on those. So I walked outside and I thought, which car am I going to take? And I remembered, Javy's been driven, I think, once, maybe twice since Power Tour, and well, maybe 3 times. Amber took it, and that's how we found out the heater core went out. Like, not too long after we got home, the heater core went out. So I, temporarily fixed that, but I need to go to town and get some stuff, so let's take Javy for a cruise, all right? She's dirty, but maybe we can fix that too. So, a little history. AMC Javelin. This is a 1974 that doesn't like to shift. There it goes. The 1974 AMC Javelin base model. But Javy here is a little bit of a rare bird. She's blue on blue. She's console shift. 304 with a 727 torque flight. Yes. For those that don't know, AMC used a lot of different transmissions. The 727 torque flight was put in here, and it does have an AMC bolt pattern. I actually have another transmission that I can put in here. I have another one. But, I haven't adjusted out. For some reason, my linkage is a little messed up. The cable is. I need to get underneath there. But like I said, whenever we decided we got home with her from Power Tour, we said she gets a break. Not only because 3,000 miles after sitting for years and not doing, anything, we thought, well, maybe we need to give her ass a break. And to be honest with you, I needed my ass a break too from working on it. Because, man, I really put the man hours into this thing to get it to take that 2,000 mile trip, and it worked out. But, I didn't have a lot of views on the videos, which surprised me because, there ain't a lot of Javelins on YouTube. This one's one of the only of a few, people showing you your cars but not working on them. Maybe we can change something about that. I need to work on the rear end in this car, and I need to pull the motor and get the pan, and the rear main seal needs, fixed. They leak. But yeah. So anyway, let's see what we can get ourselves into. So Javy's due for an oil change, but we need to fill her up with some good stuff. But it does have ethanol in it. It'll work. Stuff's falling apart. Dirty. Shouldn't look too bad being dirty, I guess. Nobody has my drink that I want, so I settle for second best. Yeah. Wild watermelon. Alright, so Amber drove this car the other day and said that it wouldn't start. She thought she was out of gas. Well, this thing has a little bit of problem with fuel boil. It has. And I don't know, it hasn't ever done it to me. Let's try it. No gas. Huh. Okay. You see, this thing does really well. That's warm idle. That's pretty damn good for a 304. But alright. I need to go pick up some stuff. And, go to the car wash, roll up the window, and oh shit. Well, you know what? It happens. And she's dirty. Still got an oil leak. I need a new filler tube. for this 304. It leaks. I've tried everything, but I mean, it's pretty much the same as when I built it. I ain't done nothing except for this right here. I had to put this little, you know, bypass in because the heater core is leaking, which I don't know. I might fix that before the winter, because I drive these in the winter. I don't let them sit. So I know it's gonna rain, but I need to clean it up a little bit. I got a plan. Tire cleaner works good for a lot of things, and yeah, it probably ain't the best for clear coats, but this white vinyl top has just been taking a beating underneath my trees, so we'll see if that'll clear it up a little bit. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta give them a bath. Right down in there is where all the oil is. It's got a pan leak pretty bad, so we need to take care of that at some point. I had oil everywhere. Need to get the AC fixed in this thing. The AC works. Well, I had to get the brush out. There's a lot of tree sap and stuff on here. I don't really like using that brush because who knows what's in it, but she's already scratched up and has her spots anyway, so I ain't worried about that. But this is not coming out. So, and it wants to come out if you really get a brush on it. So I'm gonna have to get some bleach white or something, get that cleaned up. My plan is I may put this car in storage for the winter. I don't know. I might, possibly, maybe, because it's definitely not the rarest car I own, but between it and Artemus, it is definitely the most unique, because there isn't a lot of them. So anyway, I need to get to Rural Tang so we can get some stuff. If you guys ever wonder about carpet, this is at Rural King. I bought a roll of this and it's in Artemus. This is the exact same stuff that when you pay $300 for carpet, it just ain't cut to fit. 25 bucks. I got one last thing I gotta do. Grab some little things out of here. Maybe. Oh, she's washed. Looks a lot better. And I got my crap from Rural King. We're all good. So let's get some parts. And a final stop before home. Yeah. Donuts. Got to keep the old lady and the kids happy. There's a Sunday morning with Irish Outlaw Garage. Probably nothing. Don't care. Needed to film something. I got a bunch of stuff that's filmed that I need to put out, but I've been working so hard on that damn ambulance that I kind of, lost the other finer things in life, and that is just enjoying life. But they're coming out soon. In the meantime, I got to get her cleaned up. She's dirty, and I got to get I need to get its oil pump changed and all that. Zeppy broke a mirror on him. And then, of course, the ambulance is covered up over there. I'll get to him. Ain't nothing but a thing. I got to find out if I'm playing today or not, because it's overcast and it's supposed to start raining about the time that we'll tear down, and then all my sound equipment gets wet. So, Happy Labor Day, y'all. Like and subscribe. It won't stop recording. I don't know where to look. It's over here. Nope. There it is.